Hello guys. Today we would be looking at the market report, this week's market report for Bitcoin, right? And as you can see right here, at the price of recording this report, the price is $37,000 right here for Bitcoin, right? We have seen this huge rally for Bitcoin over the last 7 days, right here for Bitcoin. Over the last 7 days, we have been up about 6.7% right here for Bitcoin, right? So we have seen Bitcoin basically rally right there from that $34,000 right there to the $37 level right here for Bitcoin in the last 7 days, right? So we have seen that huge rally, and basically in the news, we have seen lots of positive bullish news right here about Bitcoin. Right here, as you can see, the Bitcoin ETF approval, which seems imminent. We had seen BlackRock increasing confidence about the SEC approval of the spot Bitcoin ETF. Right, we are seeing analysts suggest that prices could soar to its previous heights. Right, and all the other news. Right. We are seeing Bitcoin miners which are cheering as hash prices, right, continues to push higher, right? Also with the imminent Bitcoin halving, which is coming soon, right there at the we have basically just some few months into the Bitcoin halving, which is meant to happen about the April of 18th, around 2024, right? We are basically just some months away, basically 159 days, 6 hours, 11 minutes at the time of recording, right? We basically just want to look at what is the basically the updates as regards what is happening with Bitcoin, right? And what could happen right here with Bitcoin for this week and for this month, right? And so we are currently at November, right? The first week, getting into the second week of November. As you can see, we are on the Bitcoin versus the US dollar chart. We're on the weekly time frame. And from the lows right here at about, let's see that, let's get that. Our previous highs for the last borrow was right there at the $19,000, right? We have seen that rally, right? We saw that rally in 2019 towards that level. Also, we held that level as support, and as you can see, we have seen prices push up, but push down. We saw that price push from the highs of November right there to the lows. We saw prices of Bitcoin push 77% to the bottom. Since then, now we have seen this push to the upside basically for Bitcoin right here. Right, so Bitcoin has really been very bullish, as you can see right here. Levels have been getting support. Well, we saw the push from the $15,000 level. We saw the push into the $24,000 level. We had a range for quite a while at this $25,000 level, and we have broken our support right there, or our resistance at the $37,000 level. We are heading to the 40 $3,000 level. So basically, our next level right here for Bitcoin is the $43,000 level, right? And if we can overcome the $43,000 level, then I believe all-time highs should be what we should be expecting right there at the $60,000 level. We might stall a bit right here because this is forming some sort of little resistance right here at this $38,000 level, right? Let's take this right here. And so this might stall a bit. This is a very little resistance which we are having right here at this $38,000 level, right? As you can see, little resistance. We need to see prices. So we basically need to see prices push above this $38,000 level before we can see any push to the upside right here for Bitcoin, right? And just basically looking at just some indicators that would help us make sense of what is happening. As you can see, we saw our bull market or our bull market indicator, right? As you can see, every time we saw this cross on the weekly, it has meant a big bullish push, right? We saw that cross happen exactly at the 40. This cross happened exactly at the $54,000 level. And when we see this cross, we said we should expect for the more downside. As you can see, we saw that cross happened a bit to the upside right there from the 21st of September to 2021. We saw that push to the upside. We saw that cross happen right there at the $54,000 level, and since then we have seen this push to the upside. We saw the cross happen right here at the, let's see this, this was at the 19th of December, right? We saw the cross happen right there. Our bull market indicator saw the cross happen right there at 15K, as you can see. Just take note of the date, 26th of December. We saw that push to the upside. We saw the cross right here. We saw that pullback, and we are seeing another cross, right? And this cross potentially could take us to the $43,000 level, right? So those are our targets, right? Basically here for Bitcoin. As you can see, our RSI. Our RSI is basically at the 74% level. For Bitcoin, our RSI could go as high as from the peak of the bull run, we went as high as the 95% level, right? So we could still see further upside right there for Bitcoin to the upside. We could still see further more upside, as you can see. Basically, our bull run indicator which shows us we are about to see a huge push to the upside, has still flipped, and so we are still pushing to the upside. So $43,000 is a very, very big possibility right there for Bitcoin, right? And so basically that is the market report for this week right here for Bitcoin. We are still pushing higher, and $43,000 remains the goal. Even though we have some little resistance right here at the $38,000 level, we want to see prices get above this and push up into this $43,000 level, right? This is our main resistance, which we are expecting. So we could see prices get into this $43,000 level, right? This is the main resistance, and this is our next target, right? So that is the update right here for BTC. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.